Well, guys, let's dive right in. I'm using some royalty-free music, as you can see in the top corner there. That's the one I'm using. You can save it. Put that in my timeline with a few extra clips and a few transitions. But this is where it goes when you press that button. Comes down to your timeline there. Yeah. So I'm just trying to make a CapCut template. There you go. Looks nice, looks good. Might want to play with a couple more transitions. See if I can find some more video. But I want to play with some transitions here. Play with some filters. Alright. Let me just drag this over here. Just making sure the video ends nicely. Give it a nice clean outro. Right? Get that going. But I'm also an artist. I do my own music. I do my own videos. Make my own beats too at times. Record myself. Shoot my own videos at time by myself. You know, just lately I've been outsourcing to some people. So I can do your stuff for you. But I'd rather not. I'd rather just focus on what I'm doing right now. Focus on me. Give my creativity 100%. But these are the effects. Nice video effects for you. Yeah, man. And the effect filters. You have the effect filters. There's so much different effects to choose from. Just go ahead and put one in there. Let's put this one here. Well, that's pretty cool. I can dig it. Yeah, let's play it and see how it sounds. Great. I can live with that. All right. Let's see if we can put some more effects, video effects here. And like with CapCut, there's so much layers too, right? So your video effects could be on different layers, different channels, right? I try to do it all on just a few of them, but sometimes yeah, so our video is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and do a couple things for this CapCut template that we're trying to produce here. Put a little more effects. That's looking good already. Video is looking real nice, so head to my export video for more tips and tricks. And if you like more content like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.